Got downtown Houston in the background. This is the distillery. Look at all that. Everything is bigger in Texas. Everything is bigger in Texas. Ain't that true, Beatles?
Break it down. Break it down. Fuck it up, fuck it up. Fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up.
So, day 3, that's my place. Got the homie, Tony Tran, first time in Alphaland. You can see his IG. What are you expecting walking in? And what are we hitting today? Dang. Shit. And I got chicken legs, so. Let's see this. Get his reaction when he enters the Mecca for the first time. Look at that, first time experience. Look at that. Dude.
That's pretty sick.
Dude. Told you. And look at the hologram right there.
Smells good.
One of the things right here is put this on the wall. So I had to get the camera woman and myself on me. So, let's hang. Forever.
That's Maxx with 2 X's. That's right. Not a dog's name, right? Exactly. So, really quick. So, if you had to choose between a dude and your girlfriend, let's say one life, who would you choose? Luckily, I'm strong as shit. I can take it in any situation. I'm not going to get in trouble with that one. Hey, very nice.
Alright, so splendid day. We gave the homie the quick tour of everything. So what you think? First hand experience? What you think?
It's like Dubai.
Now it's time to hit them legs. Let's get these legs. Ah!
Walk it like I'm talking. Walk it like I'm talking. Walk it like I'm talking.
We're out here. We got some chicken legs, but that's too quick.
Behind gym 2, look how clean it is. Lighting everywhere is just on point. It's leg day, but look at that arm pump. I'm sweating. You know, I don't sweat, but out here in this Texas heat, woo, let's get it. That Texas heat, killing it with the boys. Sweating, killing these legs. Woo. About to go to gym 3.
Alright, so we got some RBLs and we're going to superset it with some barbell lunges, chicken.
So, legs are toasted, they're done. Gotta get a pump, so we can do a little bit of arms, buy some tries. You already know. Look at them legs. Still some chicken legs, but we got a good pump in it.
quite gassy. Act like you're falling.
You want to try this?
I'm trying. So, post-workout, killed it with these two beasts. The Filipino beast, the Chinese beast. He's gonna try the P-triple B shake for the first time. Let's get that reaction. Give it a try. Is it good? Real good? Tastes so good. It makes you want to slap your girlfriend, your mama, and your fiance, even your own friends. Go bam. So that's a wrap. But we're gonna come back at nighttime. We have to get the full experience. We're gonna come back at nighttime for a night workout. Check out Alphaland at nighttime. So stay tuned. You already know we had to get the sign. We had to get the sign. I'm gonna dream more, be more globe. So you know we had to come in for a little night workout. Might as well take full advantage of the Mecca. So let's get this night workout in right now. You already know where we had to come to. We had to come to the gym too. Nothing beats the gym too. Back again, do some shoulders, some delts. You already know. If you're asking yourself, why the fuck are you here at nighttime? You already been here enough. Well, what's the point of getting the full experience if you're not experiencing it during the day and at nighttime? You gotta get that full experience. It's all vibes. It's starting to drizzle a little bit, can't tell, but what else are you gonna do? Push it in. Well lit at night. That view though. That's the VIP lounge right there for athletes only. VIP members. Your boy will be one day. I'm actually looking forward to trying this machine out, so let's go ahead and give it a try, see how it feels. Bossman's office. Well lit at night. Bye-bye. 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 Back home from the land, from H-Town. So to some of them, just in case those that were curious, so for a day pass, paid $27 and some change for it. The thing I did like about the day pass was it was for 24 hours. So as opposed to other gyms where you get a day pass, it was just, you know, for that one session and that's it. So again, the day pass here at Alphaland, it lasts 24 hours. So if you go at 11 a.m. on Sunday, it lasts all the way until 11 a.m. Monday. So that's the day pass because I had to get it for the camera woman. For myself, I got a 3-day pass. So for that, it was about $70 and some change. Again, worth it given the fact of everything that the facility provides. The 3 gyms, cafeteria, the vibes, the atmosphere, everything, the energy. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Love H-Town, the downtown, the midtown, the nightlife, obviously Alphaland and everything about Alphalete. I know I've said it so many times during the last video and this video. It's like you have to experience it yourself to grasp the energy and the vibes there. It's unreal. So definitely I will be going back out there to visit, to explore more and all the good stuff. So hope you guys enjoyed it. And as always, let me know what you want to see on the next video. Plenty more stuff coming your way. And don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And with that, catch you guys at the next one. Peace and one love. Stay fresh and stay blessed. You know the rest.